This week, we're going to be looking at division. I've been sent in these five sums, and so we're going to go ahead and try and break them down. So let's steam straight in. So we're going to have 7, 2, 0 divided by 3 is equal to 3. And then in the brackets, you will have 7, 2, 0. 3 into 7 goes 2. 2 times 3 is 6. That leaves you with 1. You bring down the 2. 3 into 12 goes 4. 4 times 3 will give you 12. Draw the line, minus, bring down the 0. 3 into 0 doesn't go. So the answer is 240. So that is how you do the first one. So let's look. We'll clear the board.
Few moments later.
So the next one is 441. 441 divided by 7. The way you do that, the 7 goes on the outside. The 441 goes under the bus stop. 7 into 4 doesn't go, so you don't put a 0. You just join it with that one. 7 into 44 goes 6. 6 times 7 is 42. Minus, leaves you with 2. You bring down the 1. 7 into 21 goes 3. 3 times 7 is 21. Minus, leaves you with 0, equals 63. So it's pretty straightforward. It's really important that you just follow the process. So I'm going to clear this one off the board, and we will do the next one. So we've done number 1. We've done number 2. So let's just get rid of number 1. And just let's get rid of number 2. Okay, so let's look at number 3. Number 3 obviously has got a few more digits in play, but the process is still the same. So we've got 3, 4, 3, 2 divided by 6. And that is equal to 6 on the outside. And then you do the bus stop. And then you put your numbers on the inside. So 6 into 3 doesn't go. It's really important you know your times tables. You join those together. 6 into 34 goes 5. 5 times 6 gives you 30. And you minus, when you minus, you're left with 4. You bring down the 3. 6 into 43 goes 7. 7 times 6 gives you 42 minus, and you are left with 1, and you bring down the 2. 6 into 12 goes 2. 2 times 6 is 12, and you are left with 0. So your answer is equal to 572. Regardless of the amount of numbers you've got in the bus stop, makes no odds. The process is exactly the same. So that was question number 3. We will clear the debris from question number 3. And we will get rid of question number 3. Now let's look at question number 4. So we have 1854 divided by 8. Again, it's really all about following the process. You've got the 8 on the outside. You put your bus stop and you put all your numbers underneath. Okay? How many times is 8 going to 1? It doesn't go, so you just join it with the 8. 8 into 16. 8 into 18 goes 2. Jumping ahead of myself here. 2 times 8 gives you 16. Minus, you draw the line. You're left with 2. You bring down the 5. 8 into 25 goes 3. 3 times 8 gives you 24. That leaves you with 1. You bring down the 4. Go 8 into 14 goes once. 1 times 8 is 8. 8 minus 14 minus 8 will leave you with 6. 8 cannot go into 6, so you put a decimal point there, and then you add a 0. 8 into 60 goes 7. 7 times 8 will give you 56. And then you put a minus there, and then that leaves you with 4. And then you just add a 0, because 8 won't go into 4. And any numbers after the decimal point is not a whole number, so you can add a number. Add a 0 every time you leave one. 8 into 40 goes 5. 5 times 8 is 40. That leaves you with 0. So your answer is, I'll just put the answer up here, is 231.75. See, it doesn't really matter how many numbers you have. The process is exactly the same. So let's get rid of this debris from this recent question, and we will have one final question to do. Right, and the process, it's all about following the process. Okay, so finally, let me get rid of that sum number 4. We've done number 4. Right, so number 5. Number 5, 3, 6, 4 divided by 28. I'll do it under here. That simply equals 28 on the outside, and then you do 3, 6, 4 on the inside. 28 doesn't go into 3, so you just join it with that one. No need to put a 0. 28 into 36 goes once. 1 times 28 is 28. If you take that from 36, you are left with 8. And then you bring down 4. 28 into 84 goes 3. 3 times 28 is 84. Minus, that leaves you with 0. So your answer is equal to 13. It's really all about following the process. When you're doing division, it's really important that you know about your times tables, a little bit of adding, and also a little bit of subtraction. My name's Pi Ratio, and I'm out of here.
Hi guys. You can speak.
A few moments later.
Hi guys. Before you click off this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with all your friends. Bye.